Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a question, ask me in the comments. By watching this video, you learn make driver for DC motor with Arduino. Tools needed for this make project, you need Arduino Uno. I am programming before. Can you watching this video for the for throttle programming Arduino in the channel this video, okay? Download file for Arduino in the site www.mxengineer.com, okay? Download file. OLED models, one color for the watching and view speed in LED. Transistor power model transistor TIP142. Work this transistor 10 amperes. Can you heat sinks connect this transistor, okay? Volume 10 kilo ohms. Volume 10 kilo ohms. Resistor 1 kilo ohm. Resistor 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. Diodes, okay. Breadboard for the share pin connection. Wire, DC motors. Cardboard for the box these projects, okay. Go to assemble. Okay. Connection LCD to the Arduino. Gain VCC SDK, okay. Brown, connect the ground, okay. Ground CC SDK, okay. Connection the Arduino pin. Ground connection the ground connection the ground, okay. Ground. Positive connection the 3.3 volt in the Arduino, okay. A4 A5, okay. Yellow A4 A5, okay. Connection LCD the end in the Arduino, okay. Connection the volumes, okay. Volume 3 pins left and right connect to 5 volt and ground, okay. Center pin connection A0 analog 0 in the Arduino, okay. Connection ground and 5 volts, ground 5 volts, 5 volts, okay. Connection to 5 volts. Center pin connection to A0, okay. A0, okay. Pin 9 output PWM for the control DC motor, okay. in the breadboard assemble. Connect the transistor in the breadboard. Pin series, parallel, series. Okay. 1 kilo ohms, 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the base. Okay, base one pin base, 2 pin collector, 3 pin emitter. Okay, in this model transistor. Okay, connection port. Connect the resistor 1 kilo ohms, the base. Okay, output PW in Arduino connection the resistor. Okay. DC motor. Okay, connection DC pin to the collector transistor. Okay. Connection the diode flyback in the circuit for the protect circuits, parallel with this motor. Okay, color white color. Okay, parallel with DC motor. Connection the emitter, connection the collector, connection the pins motor, pins diode, pins detector, transistor collector, center pin in the transistor. Okay. Voltage working Arduino, range voltage 5 volt to 12 volt. Okay, DC volts. Turn on connection, DC, negative source, the emitter, 3 pin in the transistor. Okay, 3 pin. Okay, positive source, connection the DC motor and diode. Okay. Connect the DC motor. Okay, test, turn on the source voltage. Okay,